I'm very glad to see you, my friends. And today we will eat Kinder Surprises, and I want snacks. 1, 2, 3. It's my snacks. My little hamster. My little hamster. It wants snacks too. And I have one friend, my hamster, and another friend, my cat Felix. Felix, come on, we will eat snacks. Felix? Oh my God, it's my friend Felix and my friend hamster. Oh, they are very good friends. Hamster likes snacks. Oh my God, they are very yellow. Yes. Please, it's very big to hamster. And now I want to be hamster. I like hamster. It's so tasty. I like snacks. I'm like a hamster. Goodbye, my friend.